What is Affiliate Dash? Quite simply, it takes this, the Infusionsoft Referral Partner Center, and replaces it with your own customizable and brandable affiliate portal. So instead of sending your affiliates here to figure out how to get links, come here. I think I come down. Maybe I click generate link. Oh, yeah, there's my tracking link. Instead of this process, an affiliate simply logs in and their link is ready to go. Not only that, instead of having a tracking link that shows Casey, what IS refer, etc., now you can replace that with your own brandable link highlighting your domain and your company. Makes sharing that easy socially with our social share feature. You can grab quick swipe copy emails and upload content for affiliates to grab, including images that they can easily copy the code and paste in their own website or share socially on their networks. Easy to view commission reports where you can also customize these and include other information that you might deem relevant. So quite simply, Affiliate Dash is an easy to use affiliate portal that focuses on your brand. You can easily grab trackable links with your unique domain. It includes easy ways to socially share, grab swipe copy or images. So start increasing your referrals today with Affiliate Dash.